Today we will try to know what are the stories are there to celebrate the Hanuman Jayanti according to the Hindu mythology. Hanuman Jayanti is also called the Hanuman Janmotsavam. Is a Hindu festival celebrating the birth of the Hindu deity and one of the uh, protagonists of the Ramayana and its many versions Hanuman. The celebration of Hanuman Jayanti varies by time and tradition in each state of the India. In the most northern states of India, the festival is celebrated on the full moon day of Hindu month according to the lunar calendar Chaitra Purnima. In the Telugu states, Anjaneya Jayanti is celebrated on every Bahula Shukla Pakshami, Dashimi in Vaishakha month, that means April, according to the Telugu calendar. In Karnataka, Hanuman Jayanti is observed as a Shukla Paksha Trayodashi during the Margashira month or Vaishakha. While in the few states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, it is celebrated during the month of Danu, called the Margai. In Tamil, Hanuman Jayanti is observed on the Pana Sankranti in the eastern states of the Odisha. Differently, but all will celebrate the Hanuman Jayanti. Hanuman is regarded to be an ardent devotee of Lord Rama, avatar of the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. Widely known for his unflinching devotion, he is revered as a symbol of the strength. What is the story behind the Hanuman Jayanti? Hanuman is a Vanara, born to the Kesara and Anjana. Hanuman is also known as the celestial son of the Vayu, that is the wind god. His mother Anjana was an Apsarasa who was born on the earth due to the curse. She was redeemed from this curse upon giving a birth to the sun. One more story is there in Venkatachala Mahatyam, and according to the Skanda Purana, it was explained that Anjana Devi, mother of Lord Hanuman, approached the sage Matanga Maharshi seeking a way for her to be blessed with one son. She was advised to do the penance on Venkatachalam. After several years of the penance, she was blessed with a son. The place where she did penance and where the Hanuman was born had become famous as Anjanadri. Varaha Purana. According to the Varaha Purana and Brahmananda Purana, it was clearly explained that after Hanuman was born, he leaped into the sky, assuming the rising sun as a fruit to satiate his hunger. The place from where he made up a jump was Venkatagiri. After Lord Brahma and Lord Indra attacked him with their weapons, he fell down and Anjana Devi started crying for son. And to pacify her, the gods descended on the Venkatachalam and bestowed the several boons to the Hanuman and said the place would be called the Anjanadri Hill. That is why in 7 hills Tirumala and 1 hill got the Anjanadri. And one more legenda story is there according to the Hindu mythology. According to the Valmiki Ramayana states that his father Kesari was the son of the Bruhaspati, that is Jupiter planet, the king of the region named the Sumeru, located near the kingdom of the Kishkinda, near the Hampi, in present day Vijayanagara district of Karnataka. Anjana is said to have performed the intense prayers lasting 12 years to Shiva to bear a child. Pleased with their devotion, Shiva granted them a son they sought. And one more story is there. Ekanath Bharavata Ramayanam states that when Anjana was worshipping the Rudra, that is Lord Shiva, King Dasharatha of Ayodhya was also performing the ritual of Putra Kameshti under the guidance of the sage Rishi Shrunga in order to get the children. As a result, he received some paisam, that means in Indian pudding, to be shared by his 3 wives, leading to the births of Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna. By divine audience, a kite bird snatched a fragment of that pudding and dropped it while flying over the forest. When Anjana was engaged in worship, Vayu delivered the falling pudding to the outstretched hands of the Anjana. So she who consumed it, Hanuman was born to her as a result. That is why he became a very strong, powerful man. Hanuman is worshipped as a deity with the ability to gain the victor over the evil and provide the protection. On this festival, devotees of Hanuman celebrate him and seek his protection and blessing. They join in the temples to worship him and present religious offerings in return. Devotees will offer the sindoor, betel leaves and vadamala to the Lord Hanuman, and they will take like a after that they will took like prasadam. People who reverse him to read the Hindu text like Hanuman powerful Hanuman Chalisa and Ramacharitra Manas, and they also chant the 108 Maha Bij Mantra Om Ham Anumate Namaha. Devotees visit the temples and apply the vermilion to their forehead from the Hanuman's Murti. According to the legend of Hindu mythology, when Hanuman found Sita applying the sinduram to her forehead, he inquired about this custom. She replied that doing so that ensure a long life for her husband Rama. Hanuman then proceeded to smear his entire body with the sindur, thus ensuring the Rama's immortality. Also, that is believed that person who meditates while keeping the Lord Hanuman in their mind and chant his mantras always receives the blessings of the Bajranga Bali. Additionally, all the troubles and problems in their life are eliminated, which is caused by the Rahu and Shani, and various miracles will be take place after worshipping the Lord Hanuman, offering the sindoor, betel leaves and vadamala to the Lord Hanuman on Tuesday and Saturday. In Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Hanuman Jayanti is also celebrated on the new moon day in Margali, that is Dhanurmasa. Famous Hanuman temples in these states like Naganallur, Namankalai, Suchindram, Tirukavayur and Aliyattur celebrate this day with a pomp, with a very much auspicious prayers will be done in the temples. In Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated for 41 days. They will take the mala, that is Diksha, Anjaneya Mala Diksha, beginning on the Chaitra Purnima and concluding on the 10th day during the Krishna Paksha in Vaishakha, that is Dashami. Till that they will perform the Lord Hanuman's prayers and they will keep the fast until the 41 days is completed. They will wear the red color clothes. In Maharashtra also, Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated on the full moon day, that is Purnima. According to the Hindu lunar calendar, Hanuman Jayanti is according to the some religions, almanacs, that is Panchangam. The birthday of Hanuman falls on the 14th day, that is Chaturdashi, in the dark fortnight of the month of Ashwin, while according to others it falls on the full moon day in the bright fortnight of the Chaitra. On this day in Hanuman temple, spiritually discussed that began to dawn. Hence, Hanuman is believed to have been born during the sunrise. During the time frame of birth, the spiritual discourse was halted and offering of the food prasadam is distributed to everyone. Spiritual discourses are organized in the most of the Hindu temples of the region on this day. But according to the Parashara Samhita, but Lord Hanuman was born in the Vaishakha, Krishna Pakshami, Dashami, Purva Bhadra Nakshatra, Kaundinya Gotra. It is very correct because Parashara Maharshi was written in that Parashara Samhita. So, Chaitra Purnima is celebrated as a to give the honor to the Lord Hanuman, who got the victories over all the evil things. That is called Hanuman Vijayotshavam. But in Vaishakha, it is the real Hanuman Jayanti, means the birthday of Lord Hanuman. These are all the legendas and stories according to the Hindu mythology. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share and watch my playlist. Thank you.